News that we have just received is Lalu Yadav batting for Muslim reservations, and this is coming at a time when the Prime Minister has been attacking the Congress party on the issue of reservations. The RJD chief Lalu Yadav saying that Muslims should get reservations.
हम लोग की तरफ जा रहा है जनता
400 पार लगता है आपको?
पार हो गए तो अब 400 बोल रहे हैं। चलेगा, पार हो गए।
कल सर अमित शाह बिहार आए थे, उन्होंने कहा कि पूरे देश में अगर एनडीए अलायंस की सरकार आएगी तो लालू जैसा जंगल राज हो जाएगा।
हाँ, जंगल राज हो जाएगा। भड़का रहे हैं।
भड़काने आए थे।
डर के मारे इतना डर गए हैं कि भड़का रहे।
प्रधानमंत्री जब आते हैं तो ये कहते हैं कि लालू जी कांग्रेस आएंगे साथ में तो वो लोग धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण देंगे और सबका जमीन ले लेंगे, संपत्ति ले लेंगे।
आरक्षण के पक्षधर है ना, वो तो संविधान को ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं, लोकतंत्र को ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं।
Okay, let me go straight across now to Saurabh Rathod for the latest on this. Saurabh, so you have the Prime Minister and the BJP, promising that if their government comes to power, they would end reservations. And then you have Lalu Prasad who is saying that BJP bhadka rahe hain. This is all being done in the name of politics and batting for Muslim reservations. Tell us a little bit more. What else did he say?
Yes, exactly, this is not the first time that he is saying this, Akansha, and before also a couple of days back, he said that the BJP is trying to deviate all the issues and they want to, murder the democracy. They want to end the constitution, to change the constitution, and these allegations are based on, the allegation that has been put by the BJP saying that the RJD and as well as the allied India alliance partners, they all want to create appeasement politics, especially for Muslims, where they are batting for the reservation of Muslims. And in fact, in a rally, Tejashwi Yadav had also counted the numbers of the Hindus who are in the government, whether it is the Prime Minister or the President or the Chief Minister of, ministers of all the states, as well as the army chiefs are also Hindus, he said. So on that, PM had head out in Darbhanga, saying that this is the real face of RJD, where they are counting the numbers of Muslims, and especially they are, insulting the army by counting and making it a communal thing. So such kind of attack is being seen by BJP, but we have seen Lalu Prasad as well as Tejashwi Yadav, Manoj Jha, who is a special national spokesperson of RJD. They all have been batting for Muslim reservations, saying that because after the caste survey that was done in Bihar, all those castes that have been given reservation, their reservation was increased according to their participation, bhagidari, what they say. So Muslims did not get much reservation. So they are planning to bring a reservation for Muslims also. Clearly, the BJP, they are accusing RJD as well as the India Alliance that they are playing appeasement politics, especially for the Muslims in the country. So the war of words are going on. We are waiting for the reactions of BJP on Lalu Prasad's statement.
Oh, absolutely. Pallavi Ghosh is also joining us on this raging issue. Pallavi, the BJP Congress sparring over Muslim reservation. We just heard the Prime Minister attacking the Congress party, taking them on the issue, and Lalu Prasad Yadav jumping in saying that, well, their parties are pro-Muslim. Are we going to see this issue being the big focus in the elections in the next few phases as well?
Well, I think there are two things over here. Of course, Lalu Prasad Yadav is catering to his minority vote bank, which is why he spoke in favor of reservation for the Muslims, as he said. But this is something which is going to start hurting the Congress party even more, because the Congress is in an alliance with RJD in Bihar, and that election is also coming up. Now, you have been watching that over the last few days and weeks, the PM, the BJP has accused the Congress and the Congress manifesto of actually talking about reservations for the minorities or for the Muslims. And they are quoting an earlier speech of the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, where he said that the first claim to resources should be with the minorities. That has come back to haunt the Congress, which is why Congress repeatedly has made the point that nowhere does the Congress Nyay Patra, nowhere does the Congress party advocate reservation based on the basis of religion. Now what happens is with RJD's Lalu Prasad Yadav making this kind of a comment, it's going to be very difficult for the Congress party to deny what the PM and the BJP has been claiming, or also turn their back on the entire issue. This is something which is going to now hit out at them. It's going to hurt them a lot. And therefore, I think it now moves to stage 2 of a confrontation between the BJP and the Congress over this issue of reservation for Muslims.
Interesting. Guru Prakash Paswan is also joining us from the BJP. Mr. Paswan, we just heard from Lalu Prasad Yadav batting for Muslim reservations, and he's saying BJP भड़का रही है और ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं mislead करने के लिए. But tell me something on this whole issue of reservations. It was Deve Gowda's government that had first implemented OBC quota for Muslims in 1995. Now he is also someone who is in alliance with your party. So why is it that the BJP and the Congress is sparring on this issue? Congress had only announced it in 1994, if I'm not mistaken, but had not really implemented it.
See, you have to understand a couple of things. Mr.
Sure.
Lalu Yadav is today the face of minority appeasement in our country. And if we look at the history of reservation, if you look at the observations of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, you will realize that any reservation in the name of religion is unconstitutional. Period. There cannot be any legal sanctity to reservation to Muslims in the country in the name of religion. At the same time, you also have to realize that it was struck down with the Supreme Court on multiple occasions. In Andhra Pradesh, Congress did the same thing. In Karnataka, Congress did the same thing. But Honorable Prime Minister has said on record, प्रधानमंत्री ने on record कहा है कि जब तक मैं जीवित हूँ, as long as the Prime Minister of India is alive, there will be no compromise on the rights, on the share of SC, ST, OBC, especially in the name of religion. So we have to realize, India Alliance leadership, Mr. Lalu Yadav, in their quest of minority appeasement, they are ending up diluting the objective of the constitutional. They are against the constitutional ethos. Reservation cannot be given left, right, and center to
Oh,
everyone.
absolutely.
In
Agreed.
Karnataka,
Agreed,
in
Mr.
Karnataka, what
Paswan.
we
It
saw-
completely goes against the constitutional ethos. And, you know, the Congress has been making all these noises of granting religious-based reservations, if at all they are voted to power. But Mr. Deve Gowda was also there. Your government was also in power in Karnataka. Why wasn't it scrapped then?
No, see, we have to understand that Rangnath Mishra Commission, Sachar Committee Commission, there was a devious design to it. There was a system to it. There was a thinking behind it. Now what the Congress party or the entire ND leadership is doing, they are in the process of institutionalizing reservation for minorities. And we are against it. You cannot institutionalize reservation for minorities. And this is not for the pursuit of justice. Let me make this very clear. This is only for the pursuit of seeking minority votes in the name of minority appeasement.
All
Mr.
right.
Mr. Lalu Yadav's track record is very well visible for us. It is nothing but an
Okay.
exercise in pursuit of minority appeasement, period.
Sure.